Hi there, guys.
Welcome to our channel.
Silver Fanatic.
Yes, guys. Today it's about talking about the paper, silver and gold.
Yes.
For those that hold it, guys. The reason we came up with this one, we feel sorry for those guys that are holding paper, silver and gold, because there is no gold.
Yeah, it's just paper.
It's just paper. There's no gold for them. In a case where if those that hold paper, silver and gold, they request for delivery,
that's true.
they will not find their gold and silver, because there is nothing. There is nothing. It's just the paper that they have in their hand. That's the only thing. So that they will find. That is why we just say we feel sorry for them.
Yes. And if they ask the holders for gold and silver, they will not give them.
No, they will not give them, because they have nothing in their reserve.
Nothing, and they will option them for cash or lose everything.
Yeah, they will really lose everything. The only thing that they will offer them is cash.
That's true.
Nothing else, guys. Nothing else. It will just be a clear option. It's either you take the cash or you lose everything.
Everything
that's
that
it.
you have worked for.
Yes, that's the only thing that they will offer them. So we just feel sorry for those that are holding paper, silver and gold. We're very sorry for them. So this thing that there will be a run on silver and gold, if those people option to take to take delivery on their, let me just take this one, on their paper, silver and gold, that there will be a run on silver and gold. That is a myth, guys. It's a myth. We are really sorry to say it's a myth. That will not happen, because those guys, even if they ask for delivery, they will not get it. There is nothing.
There's nothing.
Basically, there is nothing. They will not get anything. So, okay.
And we are not financial advisors.
We are truly not financial advisors, guys. It's just that we want to
talk on the internet
and get those people that are holding paper, silver and gold to wake up and smell the coffee, guys.
Yes.
That's the only thing. And if you want to speculate, it is good that you hold that paper, silver and gold. But if you want to hedge against bad things that are going to happen in the past, in the future, if you want to hedge against that, physical silver and gold, guys, is the only option. Nothing else.
For now, yes.
Nothing else. And Saj always says, if you do not hold it,
you don't own it.
Yes, guys. Go to Saj's channel, guys. We watch all of his videos. They are not very long as well, but they are educational. They are very educational, guys. He always mentioned, guys, if you don't hold it, you don't show it in a camera like we are doing right now.
You don't own it.
You don't own it, guys. If it's in the bank, anywhere else, you do not own it. It's just as simple as that.
And also in the vaults, because they can even close the vaults, because they still the banks.
Yeah, we had we were keeping most of our stuff in the vault, but we option to just divest, guys.
So
different security systems, but it's in our position. We can access it at any given time that we like. So, like the vault as well, we went and told them, no, guys, thank you. We want to close. They were stunned, and they were laughing, even laughing at us, actually. And then what happened after that? Those people that couldn't access their vault, because something investigation and so forth. Yes, so that's why we always say,
we're laughing, but the time when we had that,
I said I wish those people that were laughing at us can be able to see this video, to be able to see that we were not like crazy, because they looked at us crazy. That why are we saying such things? That you can pause and read that, guys.
So the good investment is to buy silver and gold and all other precious metals.
Yes, guys.
They are the safest so far that we know.
Yeah, they are.
Investment.
They are the safest investment so far.
Yeah, because is paper, silver, and gold the same as crypto? We don't know.
We don't know, guys.
Yeah.
Is it the same as crypto? Because you don't hold crypto.
Yeah.
You don't hold paper silver. So it's one and the same thing.
What do you think, guys?
It's just that it's numbers, and the other one is just the paper with the signature and full of rules and whatsoever.
Like a certificate.
Yes, that's what's there. Nothing else.
Is it the same?
Yeah, I think it's the same because both of them don't hold it.
Yeah,
I'm holding it. Physical silver, you can hold it. You show that you own it. It's in your hand.
Yeah.
No one can tell me, I know you don't have any silver, we will refund you back your money. Nobody's going to refund me any money. This is the money. I'm holding it in my hand right now. So if you say crypto and paper, silver and gold is the same, I will agree. I will say it's the same thing.
Yes, me also.
Because both these people don't hold it.
Yeah.
It's just in the system.
In the system. And it can be blocked anytime.
Anytime they can just it's the same thing. Percentage wise of risk, it's the same. It's the same, guys. Yeah.
So that's what we wanted to talk about here, guys. And what do you think about this paper, silver and gold? And what are your comments?
Yeah.
Let us know.
We might be wrong.
We might be wrong.
Never always
Maybe
right.
we have another idea of what are the good thing about it.
Just leave it on a comment below. Maybe there's something that we don't know that is good about holding paper, silver, and gold.
Yeah, because we're just talking on the internet.
We're having a conversation and we are not financial advice, guys.
That's true.
That you must know. If you're seeking financial advice, find a professional.
That's true.
We're just having a conversation here. As we just mentioned, just leave it on a comment below what you think about paper, silver, and gold.
Yes, all right.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'd like to thank our subscribers, guys. Thank you so much for everything. And don't forget that like button, guys. And if you have reached this far, guys, I don't know what you're still waiting for.
Yeah. And
hit that subscribe button.
That's true. It's a special one.
Yes, and if you're watching our video for the second time, guys, please press that subscribe button.
Guys?
And that like button.
That's true. And guys, sorry about the previous video. The lighting wasn't good.
The quality.
Yeah, so guys, sorry. We were all set.
We're a bit rusted.
Yeah. So we said let's just give out the information.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Thanks. Bye.